Presenting the 2007 Toyota RAV4. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission, brakes safely with the anti-lock braking system. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.